Hello viewers, today I am making roasted or fried chicken. Let's look at the ingredients. Chicken 1 kg with skin, cut into big pieces, about 8 to 9 pieces. Keep this skin on. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, salt 1 teaspoon, paprika powder 1 teaspoon, hot sauce 2 tablespoon, buttermilk 200 ml, plain flour or maida 2.5 cups, corn flour 1 cup, one tablespoon of onion powder, garlic powder, degi mirch powder and black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, oregano and salt, 2 eggs. Now first I will marinate the chicken. For this I am adding salt, paprika powder, ginger garlic paste, hot sauce with the chicken pieces, now I will mix them well. So that each chicken piece is well coated with spices. Now I am adding buttermilk. Buttermilk contains lactic acid which helps in tenderizing the chicken. I will combine them well. Now I will keep it in the refrigerator for about 3 hours for marination. Now I will make the dry mixture. For this I am adding corn flour with maida or plain flour. I am adding degi mirch powder followed by black pepper powder, garlic powder, onion powder. Now I will mix them well. Now I am adding salt. Again I will mix them and my dry flour mixture is ready. Now I will make the egg batter. For this I am adding salt followed by red chili flakes and oregano with eggs. Now I will beat them well. And my egg batter is ready. Now I will dip each chicken pieces into the flour mixture. Make sure the chicken pieces are well coated with flour mixture from all the sides. This is very important. This is how it looks after coating. This way I will coat the rest of the chicken pieces. Now I will dip each piece into the egg batter. Next, I will coat them with the dry flour mixture once again. This second coating gives the layers on the outer surface of the chicken and makes it crispy and crunchy. Make sure it is well coated from all the sides once again. This is how it looks after the second coating, and you can see the layers formed on the outer surface. This way I have coated the rest of the chicken pieces and they are ready for deep frying. Now I will deep fry them in moderately hot oil. Keep the flame low. It will take about 8 to 10 minutes. Fry it until it is crispy and crunchy from outside and soft and tender or well cooked from inside. Now you can see the multiple layers have formed on the outer surface, and this looks exactly like those chicken pieces which are available in the big food joints. This is exactly how it looks after frying. This way I will fry the rest of the chicken pieces. I will fry them in batches. And the roasted chicken is ready to be served. Serve it with French fries, bun, your choice of sauces, and of course with the soft drinks. I hope you will like this recipe and let me know about the feedback. Please enjoy this recipe. So if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching.